everyone, Maria Von is here. Anyhow, today I would like to share with you great thoughts to ponder. If he can't provide, he can't reside. Dating a man who can't help you financially is a waste of time. Let's be real. There's a lot of men out there who have no intention of building anything meaningful. They just want a benefits of being with a good woman without any responsibilities. I'm not saying that he's going to pay the bills the moment he will meet her, but if he doesn't want to provide as the relationship grows, you are wasting your time. A real man who wants to provide to a woman and will make them feel good knowing that they are taking good care of their woman so she doesn't carry the burden alone. Only a bum who will make excuses and claims it is not his responsibility because a man invests in what he values. If he is stingy with his own wallet, trust me, he is going to be stingy with his heart too. He understands the concept of investment perfectly fine, but he just doesn't think you are the asset worth investing it. Do not try to build a kingdom with a man who expects you to carry your bricks. That is not partnership. That is labor. Stop lowering your standards for a buyer who can't afford you. So, if he can't provide, he can't reside. Have a great day, guys. Maria Von is here. Till next time, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, Maria Von. Bye.